Okay, so this is going to be a few different household items that I've found, as I say. This one I've gone for a Nightmare Before Christmas theme. Okay, so I've got a couple of my Jack and Sally items that I've had sitting around the house. These are not kids' toys, these are mine, not going to lie. Okay, so a couple of cups, a couple of little Lego figures, and a little present box that came with it. I've got my camera set up, ready to go. I've framed it up, I've taken a quick 1 second test shot with a reasonable exposure based on the light that's in the room, and I'm happy with the framing side of it. Okay, so again, same as before, I'm just going to pop the light off and do a few different tests and see what we'll get on with. Here we go. Now, to start off with, move my little light around and we'll see, bring this nice and close, I'll see exactly where my shadows are going to be. So I can see the shadows appear on the cup. I'll bring them across either side. Okay, I'm going to see my shadows almost disappear as they come up above, but then I'm not going to light their faces so well. I quite like that. See, I like that on the cups, but then I can't really see the figures, and there's sort of no point in having them there. So possibly more straight on, looks a bit flat. Slightly off to the side. Could look decent. Okay, I think that's maybe we're going to start trying. Let's put the camera back over a bit. I don't want that actually in the shot. Okay. I'll keep my 1 second exposure here, slightly tilting away from the objects and shoot. Okay, that's not bad. There's obviously a lot of reflections coming through. A little bit of shadow across Jack's mouth. Let's try slightly higher. Same shot again. That looks a little bit better. Okay, we've cut the shadow out. Doesn't look quite so bright. I don't mind a little bit of reflections on there. I think that's okay. Now let's come to the other side. Try similar to what I did before. I'm going to try, let's see, being slightly backlit from above. Out here, slightly feathered. Let's try 3 seconds on that one. Right, how's that coming out? Not bad. It's lighting the base more than the subject, so that's no use. Let's go 1.5 seconds just to see. Okay, directly above. Shot. I do like that, but as I say, can't see the figures at the front, so let's try that one again. I'm going to do what I did before and just move this light quickly. Alright, that was a quick scan past the front. Okay, that's looking not too bad. Trying to get this balance is pretty difficult. Okay, I'm going to try the same thing, but from this kind of angle. So it's 45-degree angles above. See, that's not bad. That brings in a good bit of colour. My figures are just a bit too far apart here. I don't really want there being too much shadow directly on the faces. I guess I need to recompose my shot. I'm actually remembering to do it this time. Battery's getting low, that's okay. I can see some of the wrinkles. Okay, maybe slightly. Some of the wrinkles across the fabric here, which are going to show up in the shot. So we're going to put it a little bit tighter to help smooth it out a little. There we go. Okay. Right, let's give that a go. Not bad, it's nearly there. Getting there. Basically all I'm doing is just trying things ever so slightly differently each time. That, I think, works. Background's a little over bright for my liking, but I think I can adjust that easily enough in post. Okay, I'm going to call that a shot. Happy with that one. Excellent. Okay, so I'm calling that one a shot. Moving the light around as you go and trying to keep enough light onto the front because we've obviously got some quite little subjects here. As you can see, our little Lego guys at the front are a fair bit smaller than the cups, so we need enough light on there just to actually illuminate them and let them actually see them properly. and then shift that light across. So it's the moving light that's actually making the difference. I'm essentially light painting the subjects as I go. Okay, right, happy with that. On to the next shot. In this case, let's get photography related, shall we? Move. There we go. These guys across here. Pop in camera, lens, and lens. And this one I'm going for a little bit of a balance with the camera in the middle. Tall lens and a short lens. A little bit of that L shape that I mentioned in earlier videos, sorry. And again, obviously need to completely recompose. Make sure I've got zoom, the focus even. Okay, there we go. Quick test shot, just to make sure it's all balanced out. Frame wise, yeah, that looks okay. Okay, lights off. Little light on, and I think I'm getting the hang of this now in that I'm quite enjoying a little bit of light in the front, and then overhead does not work for this. Might be that maybe solid black objects isn't the best idea in the dark on solid black backgrounds, but I don't mind trying something else. Okay, this is slightly from behind. And then super quick shot in the front. And shifting the light away. There we go, that's more like it. Again, got that light coming down from the top. Looking very intentional. Okay, and quite liking that one. Just add a little bit of difference. Let's take the big lens away and pop in the flash instead. Again, quick recompose. This is just a quick shot just to check the framing more than anything else. Again, a little shift around that side as we're going away. Nah, rubbish. More from behind. With a little tilt around the front and away. Yeah, okay. That's not too bad. It's hard to see the underside of the flash. Right, okay, yeah, not overly fussed on them. That's okay. We'll live and learn. Try as we go, so on and so forth. I've got one last one I want to give a go. And that is with this, which I think makes a rather nice little item. I'm going to slightly tilt this because I don't want too much light reflecting the glass. I'm not going to put an actual candle in there just yet. I'm just going to see what I can do. I want this quite off to one side. Shift this over. Right there. And there we go. Right, good off to one side. Focused up, a lot of empty negative space. Let's bring that shot down just for a quick test shot just to make sure the composition's looking okay. Yeah, I think that'll work. Okay, and let's just do the same again. Try a few different lightings here. And same thing, I'm just going to go straight up front and up top. Okay, yeah, that's not bad. Not bad. Try a bit more of a directed lighting from the back rather than more straight down. Let's see how that works. Oh, that's good. I like that. Lights up the inside nicely. And although I'm not normally a fan of the lighter base, it really works here because of how dark the front is. Yep, I think that definitely works. Actually, surprising how quickly I got to that. Don't know if I like that top rim. I think I might actually lower my tripod just a little, just so I can't see that bit at the back. Right, let's try this down just a little bit closer, a little bit brighter. Yeah, kind of like that. Not a big fan of the light coming at the top corner, but otherwise I quite like that. It'd be silly me not to try this with an actual candle in it and see what I get. So let's give that a go. Okay, so there we go. Got that lit. This is at 2 seconds. I'm saying it's quite overexposed actually when I put it into the lit area. So yeah, definitely is. Okay, that's fine. This is going to be a difficult one to balance out properly. Okay, same again. Take a shot lit from behind. Super quick. Oh, okay, not bad. Maybe a little bit brighter. Let's try a nice long cast shadow. Oh, too much. Definitely too much. Okay, a bit further back. That's better. I think I'm quite happy with that one. Okay, I've got a decent bit of light in it. We can see the candles lit. I think that's going to do. Okay folks, there we go. So we've gone over a lot of the details there. I've had a little bit of play about with some different items. Hopefully that's given you a little bit of inspiration around some of the different things that you can go for. Some were fun, some I wasn't overly fussed on, but I've definitely got some good photos to take into the editing side now. Okay, so I'm definitely happy with some of the shots that I've got. Now it's just, like I say, it's time to go into the editing and just have a little look at any little tweaks I can do and just enhance them a little bit further to get the finished article. Okay, let's head on over to the computer and get these loaded in. I'll see you there in the next video. Bye.